Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to put images in a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take the data that is over here in the table from column A to E and put these images in the table in a pivot table right here, starting in column G. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I've been keeping track of GDP per capita by country for 2020 and 2021. And what I'm really interested in is the max GDP per country. But instead of putting the name of the country, I would like to represent that country with its flag. I should be able to do this with a pivot table. So if I click in G1 and I go up to Insert and I go over here to Pivot Table, I'm going to select the first option here from Table Range. And when it says select a table or range, I'm just going to select A to E and then say OK. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And then my pivot table fields will appear over here. So for my rows, I'm just going to click and drag the flag down here. And I know they look a little bit stretched right now. We'll fix that in a minute. And for my values, I'm going to click and drag GDP down here. And now this is going to be the sum of my GDP. But if I click the down button and go to Value Field Settings, I want the max. So I'm just going to click on the max and say OK. And then I'm going to close my pivot table fields, and I'm just going to make this column a little bit more narrow so that my flags are all about the same size. And so when I look here, I can see each flag and how it's represented by its max of GDP. So if I go to Australia, I can see that the max is 62,625, and that's what I'm getting right here. And if I go to Canada, I can see that it's 58,400. And if I go to Italy and drag all the way down, I can see the max of the two is 60,000. Now these are all made up numbers, so this isn't the true GDP of each of these countries. This is just giving you the idea of how you can see an image inside of a pivot table. So we go over this topic a little bit more out on our blog, including how to get the image of these flags right here in each one of these cells. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.